Here's another really special van. Is a beautiful 2014 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion van. I mean, outstanding condition inside and out. This thing has been garage kept for sure. We purchased from the original owner, 48,000 original miles. The van is pretty near flawless condition. I mean, it shows, looks, runs beautifully. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm going to give you the full tour of this van. It's absolutely gorgeous. No accidents, clean Carfax, clean title, no rust, non-smoker, checks all the boxes, new tires, fully serviced, ready to go. I mean, this thing is immaculate inside and out. I'll put it up against a brand new van, no problem. Tow package, does have hand controls. It does have a driver's side easy lock and a fully lowered floor, 6-inch lowered floor. Does have electric side entry doors. I'll give you the full tour of this bad boy in immaculate shape. It does have a 3-prong pin, Braun side entry wheelchair lift. Everything is working and operating the way it's supposed to. Does have your easy lock system here underneath the driver's seat. They are quick release seats. You can sit in your chair either on the passenger side or the driver's side. There's plenty of room in this van to do that. It does have a 3-prong pin for the steering wheel if you need it. Does have factory navigation, extremely rare in this van. Factory navigation with backup camera, of course. Microsoft Sync setup. There's your easy lock function, and it does have hand controls left side. 48,358 miles. Beautiful, beautiful van. I mean, immaculate. The seats, the carpet, everything is really, really nice. I'm going to point out any flaws I can find, and it's almost impossible to find any. This van is a 9.5 out of 10, and I'm going to tell you why it's only a 9.5, and that's because there's a couple of little marks on the carpet here from when the wheelchair came in and out. That's it. Nothing else. This van also comes with a set of manual ramps just in case the wheelchair lift fails. Nice to have. I mean, it's gorgeous. Full tour coming. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, happy to help. Does have in-floor tie downs. We do have the ratchet tie downs that go with this. I'm going to show you them. They're in the back of the van. 954-561-2499. Call or text us anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 46 years in business. I mean, we're trying to buy and offer the best quality vans in the world. If they need anything, we service them. Thing's gorgeous. Condition is immaculate, inside and out. We accept any type of trade-ins. Again, this van does have a clean Carfax, brand new tires. Look at that. Not a drop of rust anywhere. Beautiful, beautiful underneath. Super duper nice and clean. No issues, no stories. I would drive this van anywhere today. Any type of trade-ins, let us know. We're happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. We'll get it right to your doorstep. Happy to help. It's a 5.4 liter V8. I mean, the body is gorgeous. The paint's beautiful. It's definitely garage kept. We bought it from the original owner. Know for sure. Does have a switch panel back here for the lift, which is nice. You also have a fully wireless system. You got your manual ramps here and all your tie downs, extra seat belts, and everything you need to lock in with the chair. This seat does pop out if you need the extra space. That is your dual air. Absolutely beautiful. 48,000 original miles. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, clean everything. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Give us a follow, give us a like. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are going to give away a handicap van to a really good family. So we're trying to get there. We're a long ways away. Give us a like, give us a follow on all platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Come see us, check us out. We're trying to do what we do here and offer the best vans we can find in the world. So, any questions or concerns, just give us a call. Show you how the wheelchair lift works here. Fully wireless setup. It does have remote start. Everything works and functions the way it's supposed to. Got extra remotes, extra everything. Everything's working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to on this bad boy. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. Shoot us a text, send us a message, give us a like, give us a follow. Thing is awesome. Impossible to find one with this setup right now. They just don't make them anymore. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Thanks for looking. Give us a call, give us a text. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.